Now we're going to look at two of the latest integrations into Hootsuite. We have Canva and we have Grammarly. Canva right there in the composer enables you to use all those fantastic templates to polish off those fantastic images for your social media. And then to make sure your English is perfect, we have Grammarly. And I've been using both of them extensively over the last few weeks. So here is a little demonstration of them. Let's start with Grammarly. So let's bring in some text. This is from one of my blog posts in the past. So I brought that in. And now you can see it very quickly worked out the tone, and it said that it's friendly. So that's nice. So here you can see that being shown to you here, this tone director. And you can give feedback back to Grammarly as well with this selection. So that's good. So if that's what I was aiming for, then that's what I've got, which is good. But of course, most of the time you're looking for spell check. So let's add a few too many Y's there. Here you can see it's now reviewing the text. And let's see what it says. Okay. Well, let's look first at the different options you've got here. You can show underlined, the detected tone, but there's all these different types of English. I've got it in American English right now. But yes, indeed, it did find the correct error. I can now accept its change, suggested change, and there we go. So that's a very quick use of Grammarly within Hootsuite Composer. Now let's show you Canva. So here's the Canva button. So let's show you if I import an image. Oh look, I don't know who this guy is, but let's just go for this image here. I'm going to import an image. Then I'm going to edit it. So that's one way of using Canva. The other way I'm going to show you after this is to use one of their templates. But let's say I'm going to edit this now. So great. So you have different formats. The different file sizes are in here. So I'm going to pick social media. And now I'm in here. I can now look at upload and upload that image. And here we go. I can adjust it. I can resize it. Yeah. I can crop it. I can add some text like a subheading or main heading. Oh, look, the word glow, I can bring that in. And then there's other elements that I can bring in as well. So stormtroopers, they normally use their fists, don't they? So let's bring that one in. And then of course there's lots of different other extra elements you can bring in here. If I'm an existing Canva user, I can bring up my existing designs from different folders. But let's say that I'm happy with this fantastic piece of artwork here. I can click add to post. It's got a nice little quote there to keep you focused. And so I don't want the original one. I want my nice new design. There we go. I think that's quite interesting, right? So that's how you can adjust an existing image to jazz it up a little bit, make it eye-catching. Now, the second scenario is using one of their templates. So I'm going to go back into Canva. I'm going to click social media here. And here's a ready set of templates, right? There's quite a lot here. You can also search the templates, but I'm just going to use this one here. And you can do all the things that I showed you before. You can add your different texts here. You can adjust the text, and you can also bring in, again, you can actually bring in one of your existing images. I've just picked this one, same one again, but you get what I mean. Let's move things around a little bit, move that there, that one in the corner. And then you can bring in some of those elements again. I'm not going to have the fist, we've had that already. But you can see all the different things that you can bring in. Let's bring in a person. Now, the thing is, you can use this template. You can, of course, adjust it and do whatever else you like with it. If it's got free elements in, you've got a free account, you can use it. If there are paid elements in this, then you have to pay for them as you add. So if I click add to post, then that's the point when you pay. So that's a very quick introduction to the use of Grammarly and Canva in the Composer of Hootsuite. So that's it, a quick run through of both Canva and Grammarly integrate it into the Hootsuite Composer.